Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to click subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below if you have any questions or any videos you would like to see on my YouTube channel. Use the hashtag cozycrumsy to show me your baking creations. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you next time.